They say legends never die, but they certainly fade. Deep in the corner of this barn sits a 427 Shelby Cobra. Forgotten, rotted, an American icon buried under decades of dust. Today, we bring the snake back to life. The first hurdle. Even the hood is fighting us. Beneath the grime, it's a mess of organic decay. But we don't start the engine until we respect the machine. A decade of brown runoff. It's a slow process. But as the grit vanishes, the real Cobra begins to emerge. The interior is a graveyard of cracked leather and dead gauges. Everything must come out. We're stripping it to the bare bones. No bolt goes unlabeled. No wire goes unmapped. If we want a factory-perfect finish, we have to see the floorboard's sins. Now, the heavy lifting, the exhaust, the diff, and finally, the big block. Taking out an engine this size is a surgical operation. One wrong move and you've ruined a masterpiece. chassis bare, the damage is undeniable. Rust and cracks are everywhere. We're not just cleaning the frame, we're reinforcing history. After the sandblasting and the welds, we seal it in satin black, a foundation that will last another 50 years. Restoration is in the details. New bushings, rebuilt steering, and resurfaced rotors. Most people will never see the undercarriage, but will know it's perfect. This is the heart of the beast. The teardown shows the toll of time, carbon, sludge, and wear. We hone the bores until they shine and seat the pistons with precision. A splash of Ford Blue, the iconic carb rebuild, and the heart is ready to beat again. modern reliability meets classic soul, we rewire the entire car, bend the new brake lines by hand, and prime the systems. Golden blood for a legendary heart. Fiberglass is a cruel mistress. It cracks, it chips, it remembers every bump. After weeks of block sanding and primer, we enter the booth. Guardsman blue. We lay down the stripes, clear coat it until it looks like wet glass, and polish the chrome until it reflects the sky. The leather is stitched, the gauges are set, and the wheels are torqued. It's been 15 minutes for you, but hundreds of hours for us. Let's hear the snake hiss. 427 cubic inches of American thunder. From a barn-find relic to a concourse masterpiece, the Cobra is back. If you enjoyed this journey, hit the subscribe button for the next rescue.